Hey friends, welcome to A Look at Home, where we share our cooking and baking recipes, home decor, as well as exciting DIY crafts. Today we are doing paprika roast potatoes. Yummy! Season with salt and parboil the potatoes for about 10 minutes. That's our potatoes parboiled. We're going to drain the water and then we'll just put the potatoes onto a greased baking tray. Next, I just gave the potatoes a glaze of butter and olive oil. Be generous with your glaze and make sure every potato is covered and making sure that they don't burn or get dry in the oven. This is what our potatoes are looking like after 30 minutes in the oven. We're going to give them a paprika and olive oil glaze, and again we need to make sure every potato is covered. After I've covered all the potatoes with this glaze, I sprinkle some paprika powder and potato seasoning. So the paprika powder and potato chip seasoning is going to help to give more color, and it's going to help to give texture as well as more flavor. And voila, that's our paprika roast potatoes done. You can keep them in the oven for a bit longer if you want a more crunchier crust, but I love mine a little bit softer and a bit of crunch here and there. So this is it. Very simple recipe. Please let me know in the comment section if you try this very simple recipe. I'd love to know. Thank you for watching.